Chisemi haiga Kenya Julius Migosi Ogamba niganyar koba kago kwandra hokubwaterana hokukwa bero regati yense ya Kenya neri ya Germany okwana se mwiga bugo chengera rituko yense yo haiga Kenya Ogamba ni gobona atebira asegeka kemyaka gwitane 30 ni gobono chinse chiga ibere chiabwaterana se sector na bono sabire okobako kunyara koba gokwego gochase serikali chiga ibere kogendra kubwaterana samotkari posio.
The German National Day is a day of unification, and they are celebrating their 35th year, I think. And Germany has been a great partner to Kenya, and especially in the education sector. You may or may know that Germany was the very first country that recognized Kenya once we received our independence. In the higher education sector, we have MOUs and partnerships between our universities and the universities in Germany, predominantly Nairobi University, Mount Kenya University, KU, and many others, in which we deal with many aspects.
Celebrating this day here in Nairobi for me is also a day of joy. It's the 3rd of October that I celebrate here. The circle of friends is getting bigger every